Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is June 20th, 2011. I'm going to give you guys your wrap-up comments for today. Basically very quiet from what we have seen in the past few weeks. Corn ended up closing just a little bit higher, up about 1/2 cent today. Beans up about 2 3/4. You had the wheat market taking the biggest hit. They got punished again today. 13 cents lower for July, 8 cents lower for December. But you've got this USDA report coming up. We've got quarterly stocks coming up at the end of the month, as well as this June 30th acreage report. The guys are expecting to see tighter acres for corn. Kind of a mixed bag for beans. But as far as the wheat market, they're still expecting to see this quarterly stock report, looking for increased stocks for wheat, which has kept things under pressure. And not only that, the charts look pretty bad there as well. So we'll see if we can maybe find a little bit of strength there. But that chart is certainly, the wheat is certainly in a downtrend and continues to pressure that trend at this point. But as far as the grains, like I said, light volume today, getting pushed around back and forth. You did have corn go up to that 666 area in December. You had beans at one point up over 12 cents, but settling back down and closing just slightly higher for corn and beans. Crude oil, kind of the same type of attitude. Sharply lower off the start this morning when I came in. Ended up 26 higher right now is where it stands, putting that at 93.26. That's more than $2 off its lows today. So we did find a little bit of support. But right along with crude, what has been moving very close with that crude market is the dollar. The dollar this morning was significantly higher. Currently it is up still about 7 cents. But it's 40 cents off of its highs. So we are coming up to some support again for that dollar at a little bit lower levels. We'll see if it can find some support there and see what the trade wants to do with it. It has been pushed around pretty hard with this economic concern for Greece, whether or not they're getting the bailout money or not. You just had Moody's come out a little bit ago, potentially looking at, or they're reviewing Italy's credit rating right now. Are they going to downgrade their rating or not? You know, if they do come in, let's say they do downgrade Italy's rating, what's that going to do for the euro? Probably more pressure. And what's it going to do for the dollar? Probably look for that as a safe haven and going to find some strength for that dollar. The dollar's in a short-term uptrend right now. We've got some moving averages just below us that may find some pretty good support yet for that dollar, so keep those in mind. As far as metals today, pretty tame. Gold up $3, silver up about 30 cents. But following suit, just like everything else, just a little bit higher today. Kind of a feel-good type attitude, just because we did stay in the green. As far as the softs, sugar up 110 points. You have cotton that's up 355. But that sugar is very bullish, not only nearby contracts, but also the deferreds. Last week's decision for ethanol, to take that to a vote. That vote has not happened yet to get rid of the import tariff. But it's got the sugar market bulled up and potentially looking for higher prices yet if something does happen there. That bill that they are looking at voting on for ethanol, it's not expected to pass. But the idea is by the end of the year, the tariffs and and a lot of the incentives that you get for ethanol right now are going to be gone. So that's bullish for them in the back months. So it's the bulls are kind of partying right now as far as sugar and continue to push higher. The charts look good, and that may carry sugar higher yet. But livestock today, we had a very bullish cattle on feed report last week. That has had the markets all hyped up today all day long. We gapped higher again. Fat cattle, though, $1.85 higher. We had feeders up limit, so up $3, and that stayed limit. So we did gap again. And then we had the hogs right along with them. If beef goes higher, we need to see hog prices go higher. So we saw hogs up $2 today as well. So that looks very good, very friendly for the livestock. We may find that continue. Choice, as far as boxed beef, Choice was up $1.64 today. You had Select up 79 cents, so that was supportive as well. But the idea of tighter numbers really getting these guys all bulled up. The cattle on feed report, very friendly there as well, which may carry us a little bit higher. We've got a lot of information we've thrown at you. I do want to invite you guys to take a look at our website. We just had our marketing meeting, our weekly meeting that we do for the brokers. You can actually see that online. So you can check that out right here on our website. I do encourage you guys to get on that. Listen to what we say. It's about a half an hour long. We go through a lot of these markets in depth. Rich Nelson does a very good job going through what we do and how why our research says what it does, and basically giving you guys a little bit more insight to this trade this week. And that's right there on our website. So, excuse me, give me a call. Give us a call over here, 800-262-7538. Or we're always right there online at allendale-inc.com. I want to thank you guys for today. Have a great rest of the week. We'll talk to you later.